Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Homescapes on multiple devices. Keeping your game progress synchronized across all your gadgets is super easy. Whether you are switching phones or playing on a tablet, you can pick up right where you left off. We will walk through the straightforward process to ensure your Homescapes journey continues without missing a single star or coin. The first crucial step is to connect your Homescapes game to a social media account, typically Facebook. This action creates a secure cloud save of all your progress, including your stars, coins, and level achievements. It acts as a digital safety net, ensuring your game data is stored externally and not just on your device. Make sure your current device has a stable internet connection when you do this. Once Homescapes is installed on your new device, open the game. Do not start a new game. Instead, go straight to the Settings menu, usually found via a gear icon. From there, select the option to connect to a social media account. Log in using the identical Facebook account you linked on your original device. The game will then prompt you to load your saved progress, typically showing your current level. For a smooth transfer, always ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection on both devices. It is also vital that both devices are running the latest version of the Homescapes application to avoid compatibility problems. If you face any difficulties or your progress does not load correctly, do not hesitate to reach out to the game's customer support. They can often help retrieve your account with a few simple details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.